Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And my tip of the day is AromaTru, which is an essential oil diffuser company. And they're having a great sale on one of their models between now and October 11th. Now, what makes AromaTru unique and different is that it's waterless. And by having that, it's revolutionary. So no water means no mold and no bacteria buildup. I've used essential oil diffusers before where I've had the water in there. And then after a little bit, you look at it and it really starts getting pretty nasty and not very healthy for you of what you're breathing. So having waterless is a really cool and much safer and healthier way to go. So first of all, I think it looks really great. It's cosmetically, I think looks and will fit most decor. They have a sale where you can get different bundles. So you just get one, which is normally $170. You could save $60 and you get it for $110. You can get two and get a savings of $140 for $200 on that sale. And three, you can get it for $255, which is a $255 savings. And again, you can see how nice these really do look. Now, you can also use their essential oils, or you can use 4 of your own. But I'll talk about their essential oils in a minute because they really have the highest quality essential oils. But one of the other great things is they stand behind their product. So they have a 30-day guarantee. If you simply don't like it, just contact them and they'll refund you for the purchase price. So very easy to work with. So when it comes to essential oils, what makes their essential oils also a great way to go is their high quality. So they're sustainably sourced, therapeutic grade, USDA certified organic or wild crafted essential oils, zero toxins, true aroma, and they've got different options you could choose from. They do have other diffusers if you are interested in going with a higher level model. They do have, so this is the sale for the AromaTru. The AromaTru Plus has different color wood there if you want to go there, or they even have the Plus, which uses an app. But if you want and don't want to break the bank and want a great way to go, the AromaTru is a great way to go. Again, this sale is going on through October 11th, and it works through my referral link, so I'll be sure to put that there where you can access it. Again, depending on where you're watching it, it will be either in the description, the comment section, or even through my profile link. So let me know if you have any questions. Check it out today. A great deal, and especially if you're into an essential oil diffuser, going with a waterless one is a great way to go. It's revolutionary and it's healthier for you. So thanks so much for joining me. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.